Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe during this time. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like I said, thank you so much for checking me out. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just right below the video. Cool, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks again for your support. I truly do appreciate having you here.
Ripple triumphs as judge denies SEC's Sur Sur-Reply request. Main content. 1. There has been a new development in the legal battle between SEC and Ripple. 2. Momentum shifted in favor of Ripple Labs Incorporated as the United States District Judge denies the SEC's Sur Sur-Reply. 3. XRP price is still down despite the victory for the Ripple community due to Russia's attack on Ukraine. District Judge Torres has denied the US SEC's motion to file a Sur Sur-Reply in support of its motion to strike against Ripple. To bring the uninitiated up to speed, the SEC filed a lawsuit back in December 2020 against Ripple Labs Incorporated and two of its executives, co-founder Christian Larson and CEO Bradley Garlinghouse, stating that they have sold over $1.3 billion via XRP that is alleged to be an unregistered security. During the proceedings, Ripple lawyers filed a Sur-Reply, which mentioned that this is the agency's first case in which they have enforced actions against a company or its individual executives for overselling an established digital asset. In an ongoing legal battle that has seen the SEC deploying several tactics to delay the proceedings, Ripple's community has eagerly been awaiting the final judgment for the lawsuit. Momentum has moved in favor of Ripple in the proceedings as District Judge Annalisa Torres denied the SEC's motion to file the Sur Sur-Reply in New York on February 23, allowing the Ripple community to breathe a sigh of relief. However, the legal battle has not reached its end yet. Despite this news, XRP's price continues to fall following the decision by Russian President Vladimir Putin to strike on Ukraine. As can be seen by the chart above, XRP's price continues to fall, simulating the current trend of the rest of the cryptocurrency market. According to CoinMarketCap, XRP is down 13.13%. Crypto markets dump $200 million as Russia begins military action in Ukraine. The total cryptocurrency market capitalization has slumped more than 8% over the past 12 hours or so as Russia commences military action in Ukraine. Around $200 million has left the digital asset space over the past 12 hours, resulting in a massive market slump which has dropped total market capitalization to a 7-month low. At the time of press, the total market cap was around $1.64 trillion according to CoinGecko, its lowest level since early August 2021. The sell-off escalated around 12 hours ago as news broke that Russia had engaged in military action against Ukrainian targets. Russian President Vladimir Putin announced a military operation in Ukraine early Thursday and explosions have been reported in several cities. Zero Hedge also reported that Moscow has suspended trading on the Russian stock markets and bourses across Asia are slumping at the moment as the specter of war becomes a reality. Crypto assets in the red. Cryptocurrencies have been hit particularly hard as the market sell-off accelerates. Bitcoin has tanked 8.6% on the day and was trading at $34,725 at the time of writing, its lowest level since the dip on January 24. BTC is currently 49% down from its November all-time high as it compounds the 21% it has dumped over the past 7 days. The world's leading cryptocurrency is playing the Pied Piper again as all of those below it have tanked even harder. Ethereum has shed a painful 10% on the day with ETH prices dumping to $2,382 at the time of writing. This is the lowest the asset has fallen to since January 24 and it is on track to drop to a 7-month low. The rest of the crypto market is a sea of red at the moment with Binance Coin, BNB, Ripple, XRP, Solana, SOL, and Cardano, ADA, slumping between 9 and 13%. The only tokens in the green at the moment are stable coins. Gold prices spike. Gold is one of the few commodities that have increased in value at the moment, and this is usually the case with store of value assets during times of turmoil. The spot price of gold spiked to $1,948/oz a few hours ago, its highest level since early January 2021. SEC v Ripple lawsuit, LBRY notes SEC contradictions in XRP and LBRY cases. The SEC v. LBRY judge also declined a request from the SEC to move back the trial date, which might mean the LBRY case will be decided before the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit. LBRY, a blockchain-based file sharing and payment network, is in the middle of a lawsuit with the Securities and Exchange Commission after being charged, in March 2021, for conducting an unregistered offering of digital asset securities. The financial watchdog claims LBRY sold digital asset securities called LBRY credits to numerous investors, including investors based in the United States, without registering with the SEC. LBRY allegedly received more than $11 million in US dollars, Bitcoin, and services from purchasers who participated in its offering. The lawsuit has garnered more attention recently as the SEC tried to include a ruling in the SEC v. LBRY's jurisprudence for the SEC v. Ripple. SEC tells court in LBRY case that Hinman's speech is personal opinion. With both cases ongoing, LBRY has gone to Twitter to let people know that the SEC just said in verbal argument in our case that they have not asserted that Bitcoin or Ethereum is not a security. They're saying the Hinman speech is his personal opinion. This has been a much talked about issue in the SEC v. Ripple case as the SEC spent much of the lawsuit arguing that the Hinman's 2018 speech on Ether was his personal opinion, but has now decided to call it public guidance once Magistrate Sarah Netburn ruled it is not privileged material. The motion for partial reconsideration and clarification of Magistrate Judge Netburn's DPP ruling was filed last week and a decision will be made soon. The original ruling was very well received by Ripple and XRP holders, who were accepted as amicus curiae in court. Attorney John Deaton confirmed the court order as a win and said the biggest victory wasn't the speech draft itself but the notes from meetings with third parties not associated with Ripple. Attorney Jeremy Hogan recently suspected that the SEC could be hiding something really bad and that would be the reason to do whatever it could, including contradicting itself over and over in the personal opinion versus public guidance duality, so that the documents wouldn't fall on Ripple's hands. On the SEC v. LBRY contradiction, Hogan joked, "Let me read your future. In a couple of months the SEC will say that it was not really his personal opinion but the opinion of the Division of Corp Finance." The SEC v. LBRY judge also declined a request from the SEC to move back the trial date, which might mean the LBRY case will be decided before the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit. Binance Coin, XRP, and Solana plummet. What happened? Today, it's an absolute bloodbath in financial markets. Besides bonds, which are doing okay, stocks and cryptocurrencies are getting absolutely ravaged by the news of the Russian invasion of Ukraine yesterday evening. At noon ET, top 10 cryptocurrencies Binance Coin, BNB, XRP 0.16%, and Solana, SOL 5.33%, had dropped 9.4%, 10.7% and 6.1%, respectively, over the past 24 hours. These moves reflect increasing concern around the higher correlation we've seen form between stocks and cryptocurrencies. Specifically, this correlation between more speculative, high-growth equities and most digital tokens is of concern to crypto investors overall. So what? Binance Coin, XRP, and Solana are three projects generally considered to be among the most stable long-term holdings a crypto investor can own. Many may have bought these tokens with the understanding that crypto is a low-correlation asset, or one that may move less in line with equities than other asset classes. Of late, this hypothesis has been tested, and it is starting to fall apart. Like other risk assets driven by incredible capital inflows in recent years, this macro environment is one that's inherently bad for growth stocks. For cryptocurrencies, one might argue that increased concern over financial sanctions may actually boost top tokens like XRP that are used for cross-border payments. No such view is being taken today by investors, many of whom are liquidating positions and asking questions later. Now what? For crypto investors looking at a sea of red today, it's really hard to say which perspective to take in terms of whether to add to one's positions or take some cream, if there is any, off the top. Profit taking has been happening for some time and may continue to drive downside pressure for assets that have run up in incredible fashion through late 2021. Thus, the ultimate floor in this bear market in crypto is very difficult to see right now.
I'm your guy. I will keep you posted. I'm your advocate. I'll be back on a daily basis, usually multiple times per day, with these videos to keep you updated with everything going on. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share any of my videos with your friends, family, social media, or anybody who may care to listen. Thanks so much for your continued support. I'm always here for you. I want to help you through this time. So thank you so much for continuing to choose me. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I'll catch you again probably in a couple hours. Thanks, everybody. See you later.